Hey folks, I'm Dave. I'm a laser newbie. I'm not an expert, so I understand wanting to find good information fast so you can begin a project or just keep one going. So I've started a playlist called To The Point where I'll cover laser and Lightburn topics, and I hope it's helpful. So let's get right to the point. Today's To The Point topic is Lightburn and how to create a picket fence vector. Something that'll come in handy not only at Halloween, but with many of your other projects. So grab a square and draw out a fence plank. Push the selector tool. Grab another square and just draw out a fence runner. Click the selector tool again. Push Control D to duplicate. Grab your duplicated runner. Push the Alt key. And then you can pull it up to the top, keeping it square all the way. Grab a hexagon. Hold Shift to draw out a perfect hexagon. Click the selector tool. Then push the Control key. You get a little handler on top. You can turn this into a triangle. Get to the corner, make it smaller. And we're going to set it on top of this fence post. Let me get in a little closer. Grab the edge of the triangle and then hold the Alt key, and you can set this on one edge. Push Alt again, grab the other edge, and you can just squeeze it in and get it in the perfect spot. Select both, click Weld. Let me get this back in sight. Select your plank. Go to the array tool. We can leave this at a spacing of 10 on the X columns and then go up until you get planks all the way across. Click OK. Click Away and then select everything again. Go to the Weld tool and weld. You could also weld with the Boolean Assistant right up here. And now that we've created this, with your art library open, you can select it, click Import Graphic from Project, name it, click OK. Now you have your fence vector. You can pull it out anytime you need it, and you will never have to make it again unless you just want to. And that wraps up today's To The Point topic. Right to the point, folks, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. It'll help the channel grow, and it'll help me to bring you more and better content in the future. I really appreciate your time and watching. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.